Dear customer, this is our 25 tons placing machine for make the button parts. So I want to mention to you where your technician should add the oil. For example, this part, and this part. Your technician every 8 hours must 10 to 2 times, because inside we put the yellow oil inside already. So this yellow oil for protect the shaft inside, because inside here has the brusher inside one set and one set. Or if your technician forgot to add to turn the yellow button go inside, and maybe because the high speed, then the shaft will be stuck or will be broke because the high speed with high temperature. So don't forget ask your technician at the turn the yellow button in yellow oil inside every 8 hours. Okay, and here also don't forget ask your technician put the oil inside. You see the hole. Okay, and also here has the hole, and here also has a hole. Mention your technician put the oil inside also here. Okay, and you can see here also. Let me go to this side. So please remember ask your technician also remember add the oil in here. Can you see the hole? This hole. Okay, please also remember add the oil inside. So for another details, if you want to get more information, you can send email to us. This is the position where you should add the oil for our 25 tons placing machine. Thank you for your interest.